So one of the last things I want to say about the quotient rule is that you don't always have to use the quotient rule. So note, not every quotient requires the quotient rule. So let me give you some examples of places where you don't need to use the quotient rule. I'm going to give you two. The first one is the function x squared plus 3x all divided by 6. Now, yes, this is a quotient, but I can rewrite the function so that I don't have to use the quotient rule. So 1/6 x squared plus 1/2 x. Just divide 6 into each term in the numerator. And then from here, I can just use the power rule. So then y prime, my derivative using the power rule, 2/6x plus 1/2, or just 1/3 x plus 1/2. So that would be my derivative. And again, I didn't have to use the quotient rule to find that derivative right there. Okay. Another example where you don't have to use the quotient rule is something that looks like y equals -3, 3x minus 2x squared over 7x. So again, you can simplify this one right here because the denominator has just one term in it. I can split it up. This is -9x plus 6x squared over 7x, which then I can divide separately. -9x over 7x plus 6x squared over 7x, and simplify. So in the first one, the x's will cancel, and you'll get -9 over 7 plus 6 over 7x. So from here, it's really easy to find the derivative. You're just going to use the power rule. So this first one is a constant. The derivative is 0. Then over here, using the power rule, the derivative is 6/7. So there's my derivative. So just because you have a quotient doesn't mean that you have to use the quotient rule. Sometimes you can simplify and then avoid using the quotient rule, but not always.